Today, I'm going to show you how to stop Grok from remembering your conversation history on X.com, also known as Twitter. If you want more control over your privacy and you don't want your chats being used as memory, this quick setting change is the one you need. This is a simple step-by-step tutorial, and it only takes a few seconds once you know where to look. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get straight into it. First, open X.com or Twitter and log into your account if you're not already signed in. Once you're on the main page, look at the left-hand navigation bar. You'll see a section labeled More. Click on More to open the additional menu options. From that menu, click Settings and Privacy. This is where X.com keeps most of the account and privacy controls, so this is the right place to make the change. After that, click Privacy and Safety. Inside this section, you'll find different options related to your account privacy, data, and personalization settings. Now look for the option called Grok and third-party collaborators. Click on that to open the Grok settings. This is the section that controls how Grok interacts with your account and conversation history. Once you're inside, find the setting that says Allow Grok to remember your conversation history. You'll see a toggle next to it. Simply switch that toggle off. Turning this off disables Grok from remembering your chat history going forward. That's all you need to do. No extra steps, no complicated settings, just that one toggle. If you want to double-check, make sure the switch is no longer enabled before leaving the page. And that's it. You've now blocked Grok from remembering your conversation history on X.com or Twitter. If this tutorial helped, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick how-to guides.